Hello friends, in this session we are going to discuss another LeetCode problem, palindrome linked list. You will be given a singly linked list. Return true if the linked list is a palindrome. I hope you know what is palindrome. I don't think I need to explain it. If this is our input linked list, 1, 1, 2, 2. Left side node values are matching with right side node values. So this linked list is a palindrome linked list. There is another linked list 1, 2. Left side node value is not matching with right side node value. So this is not a palindrome linked list. Now let's discuss the logic. Let's consider that this is our input linked list. The naive approach would be iterate through this linked list and create an array with all its elements. 8, 4, 6, 6, 4, 8. Now what we will do, we will compare elements from both edges. This element will be compared with this element. It is matching 4, 4, 6, 6. If you notice, all the left side values are matching with all the right side values. So this is a palindrome linked list. But this is not an optimal solution as it requires multiple iterations and additional storage space. The array is additional storage. Then what is the optimal solution? Let's discuss the optimal solution. Before that, I will clean this up. We are going to follow 3 steps in the next approach. First, we will identify mid element of the linked list. Then reverse the linked list after the mid position. If this is the mid position, then we will reverse this portion. Then compare node values one by one. We will start from head and compare it with reversed portion. If all node values are matching, then it is a palindrome. How to find mid position of a linked list? We will take 2 pointers. One is slow pointer, another one is fast pointer. Both are pointing to the head node initially. We will increment slow pointer by 1 step and fast pointer by 2 steps in each iteration. In the first iteration, slow pointer will move by 1 step. It will be here. But fast pointer will move 2 steps. That means 1, 2. It will be here. In the next iteration, again slow pointer will move 1 step. So it will be here. Fast pointer again moves 2 steps, 1, 2. Since the fast pointer does not have next move in the next iteration, we will consider that the iterations are over and the slow pointer is already at mid position. This is the mid position. Now we will reverse the linked list after the mid position. Before reversing, we will move the slow pointer to the next node. And we will consider that this node will be head node from where we need to reverse the linked list. Let's reverse this portion. This is the linked list after reversing the second portion. This is the head node and we will consider that this is the head node for the reversed portion. Now we will compare node values one by one. 8, 8, 4, 4, 6, 6. All the node values are matching. So it is a palindrome linked list. If any node values are not matching while comparison, then it is not a palindrome. We simply return false. As of now, we have seen a linked list with even number of nodes. This linked list has 6 nodes, so it is even number. How about a linked list with odd number of nodes? Let's see an example. This linked list has 5 nodes, odd number of nodes. If we use 2 pointer approach, this will be the mid position. This is slow pointer. We will move slow pointer by 1 step and we will reverse this portion. After reversal, 8 will be here, 4 will be here. Let's compare now. 8, 8, 4, 4. What about mid node? We don't need any comparison for mid node in this case. It is good enough to compare nodes on both sides of the mid node. So this is the logic for finding given linked list is a palindrome or not. Let's write code now. I have copied list node class from LeetCode. also copied is palindrome method signature. Let's do basic validations. Return true if the head node is null or linked list has only one node. We will declare two pointers, slow and fast. We will use them for identifying mid position. Both pointers are pointing to head node initially. Let's find mid position. We will use while loop. In each iteration, we will increment slow pointer by 1 step and fast pointer by 2 steps. Once we are out of this while loop, the slow pointer will be pointing to mid position. So let's reverse the second half. Let's write this utility function reverse list. Declare a previous node reference. Now iterate over the list using while loop. Declare a temp node and copy next node reference to it. Since we have copied next node reference, change head next node reference with previous node. Let's swap nodes. Finally return the previous node. It holds the head node of the reversed linked list. We are done with reversing the linked list after mid position. Let's come back here. Move slow pointer by 1 step. Now we will compare elements one by one. Check if right half is equals to left half or not. We will use while loop. Anytime node values are not matching, then return false. Otherwise, just increment both pointers by 1 step. Finally, by default, return true. We are done with coding. Let's test our code. I have already written main method to save some time. This is the linked list. We are calling isPalindrome function by passing head node reference here. Let's run. I hope there are no runtime errors. The result is true as expected. So this is about how to find given linked list is palindrome or not. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.